Good day children, Sai Ram and welcome back to our next lesson in value education, that is chapter number 11, Shri Ram Navami. Now children, today in this lesson we are going to learn about Shri Ram Navami. Now Ram Navami is a festival of the Hindus. Okay, and why do we celebrate Ram Navami? That we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay children. Now what is actually Ram Navami? Ram Navami actually is the birthday of Sri Rama. Okay, it is the birthday of Sri Rama, which falls on the 9th day of the bright fortnight of the month of Chaitra. Okay, Chaitra means between March and April. Okay, that is on the 9th day of the bright fortnight of the month of Chaitra, this Ram Navami is celebrated. Sri Ram Navami is celebrated in memory of Lord Rama. Okay, with great devotion. As you all know children, Lord Rama is the god of the Hindus. Okay, so in the memory of Lord Rama, with great devotion, we celebrate Ram Navami. Now who is Lord Rama? Lord Rama is Lord Hari himself, who had incarnated on this earth just to destroy the demon Ravana. Okay, the demon Ravana had to be destroyed. For that reason, Lord Hari himself had been incarnated on the earth in the as Lord Rama. Now, he incarnated on the earth. That is, Lord Rama incarnated on the earth. When actually he incarnated? When Adharma. Okay, when Adharma was at its peak. Okay, that time Lord Rama had incarnated on the earth. Why he had incarnated? Just to protect the noble and vanquish the evil. For that reason he had incarnated on the earth. Now children, you all must be knowing, you all have already read about Ramayana, you all must have seen serials about Ramayana. If your grandparents are there at home, they must have told you about Lord Rama, okay, about Ramayana. Okay, so you all must be knowing who is Lord Rama. Lord Rama was actually the prince of Ikshvaku race. Okay, he was the prince of Ikshvaku race. Now, Lord Rama was very much virtuous and manly in strength. Okay, he was a sage. His speech was very kind and sweet. Okay, he was also a very great warrior and was a master of all the weapons also. He was ever devoted to the prosperity and welfare of his kingdom and subjects. Yes, Lord Rama was the best among men with an excellent character, with a sterling character. Okay, he was an ideal son. He was an ideal brother. Okay, he was an ideal husband, as well as an ideal friend and an ideal king also. So many characters he had in him. So he is called as having a sterling character. In fact, he was the embodiment of all the highest ideals of man. Okay, in Hindi we call it as Purusho mein Shreshtha. Purushottam Shri Rama. He ruled his people so well that it came to be known as Ramarajya. Okay, Ramarajya, the best ruler, that is Ramarajya. It meant the rule of righteousness, the rule which bestows happiness and prosperity on all. Such type of rule is called as Ramarajya. The message and the mission of Lord Rama's life on earth is to teach the supreme importance of righteousness in the life of every human being. Now children, you all must be knowing, even your grandparents, when they tell you the stories about Lord Rama, why do they tell you the stories of Lord Rama? So that you also inbuilt in yourself the righteousness, the best character like Lord Rama. For that reason, even till today, we always hear the messages and the missions of Lord Rama's life on earth. For a devotee, if we talk about a devotee, now who is a devotee? One who worships Lord Rama is a devotee. To a devotee, Sri Rama is not simply a good and virtuous ruler, but God himself. Though Rama was the son of Dashratha, he is the divine, all-powerful, all-pervading God himself. Okay. Now, let's learn about Ram Navami now. Ram Navami is one of the most important festivals of Hindus. As we have already learned, when is Ram Navami celebrated? On the 9th day of the month of Chaitra. Okay, and it is very much important for the Hindus. Now, what happens on this day? What are the preparations on this day? On this day, temples are decorated and the images of Lord Rama is richly adorned. The holy Ramayana is read in the temples. At Ayodhya, which is the birthplace of Sri Rama, a big fair is held on this day. Also in South India, if you see in South India also, Sri Rama Navami Utsav is celebrated for 9 days. Which we also call it as Navratri. Okay, and that also, as we celebrate the 9 days of Lordess Durga, same way the 9 days of Sri Rama is also celebrated in this month. Okay, that is in the month of Chaitra. The performance by talented musicians and Kathakars who narrate the thrilling episodes of the Ramayana, bhajans and kirtans also take place in South India also. Thus, if you see, this festival of Sri Ram Navami commemorate the birth of Sri Rama, who is remembered for his prosperous and righteous reign. Till today, whenever we take the name of Sri Rama, we always we are full of devotion. In North India, like South India, even in North India, Ram Navami processions or Ratha Yatra is arranged, which draws a lot of participation. Many people participate in it. Now the main attraction in this procession, what is the main attraction over here? There are people who are dressed up like brother Lakshmana, then Sri Rama, his queen Sita, okay, as well as his pure devotee Hanuman. Okay, in this Ratha Yatra, this is the main attraction over here. The chariot is accompanied by several other persons dressed up in ancient costumes as Rama's soldiers. The participants praise or echo the blissful days of Rama's rule as the supreme emperor on earth. Okay, this is how Sri Ram Navami is celebrated in whole of India. Whether it is north or whether it is south, Sri Ram Navami is celebrated with great pomp everywhere in India. The poet sage Tulsidas, who considers Lord Sri Rama as his God, says, what does he say? More man Prabhu asavishwasa, Ram te adik Ram kar dasa. What is the meaning of this? Lord, it is my belief that the servant, that is devotee of Rama, is greater than Rama himself. Okay, these are the words of the poet sage Tulsidas. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this lesson, Sri Ram Navami. In the next lecture, we'll learn about other story of value education. Till then, thank you children.